Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodle crispy treats. So you're going to need 2 packages of ramen noodle, doesn't matter what flavor it is. You're going to need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. And you are going to need marshmallows. This is a 10-ounce bag, but I'm only going to use about 5 ounces or half of it. Alright, and then you're going to need a pan to put it in along with wax paper. You can use wax paper, you can use saran wrap, spray it down with cooking spray. But anyway, so I'm going to take, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the butter into a pan or into a pot right here. You see I put it into a pot right here. And I'm going to turn it on low and let the butter melt. But I'm also going to add in half the package of marshmallows. I think I said it right. And then I'm going to turn it on low. And while that's on low, I'm going to turn that on low. Cooking on low, I'm going to take my ramen noodles, each my packet, and I'm going to crush them. Just keep on crushing the ramen noodles inside of the package until it's all crushed like that. Crush the ramen noodles. And then crush the other package as well too. Make sure that they're crushed pretty well, okay? Crushing the ramen noodles. Make sure they're crushed pretty well. That one's pretty crushed well. And then this one's crushed pretty well. So once you crush them, what you're going to do is you're going to open the package and pull out the package. There is a seasoning package in there, right? So take the seasoning package, pull that, save it for something else, and pour the ramen noodles into the bowl right here, right? Remember, pull out the package on this one, and then pour this pack of ramen noodles in there too. So they're pretty much crunched up. If you have any big pieces, just go in there and just break it up just like that. Alright, and as it heats up the pot, the marshmallow is going to start to melt. You're going to stir it occasionally. Alright, stir it occasionally. And you see it start to melt down in there. You see that? And you want it to be like totally melted it down for the ramen noodles before you add the ramen noodles. So just stir it a little bit and just like keep on letting it cook. And it's going to keep on melting down, and you see like occasionally just keep on stirring it until the marshmallows and butter are completely melted down. Just like that. Stir it up until it's like consistent, like that. You see that? It's very consistent, liquidy. And then I'm going to add the ramen noodles to the pot. As soon as you add the ramen noodles, turn the heat off, remove it from the heat, and just stir them to make sure that the ramen noodles blend in with the marshmallows. Said that right, pronounced it right. So once they're mixed in, we go to the next part. Alright, next part is go to the pan. So you have a pan right here, and then I have some parchment paper or wax paper. I'm just going to spray it. Spray the wax paper. This is where the ramen noodle crispies are going to go. So I sprayed the parchment paper, and then I'm going to take the ramen noodles crispies, and I'm just going to pour it them in the pan. Yep. And then once I have it in here, I'm just going to lay it out flat. So just press down on the ramen noodle crispies. Lay it out. Just flatten it out. Spread it out evenly throughout the pan. All right, so once you do that, you just let them cool and you're able to slice them into parts and eat them. And that's how you make ramen noodle crispies. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.